Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets and numbers. Black color. The next one is yellow color. Blue color. Brown color. Red color. And the last one is green color. Kids, now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we use black color and now we draw A. The letter of A. A for apple. Now we draw A. And the next one is B. B for ball. Now we draw B. The next one is C. C for cat. C for cat, C for cow. The next one is D. D for doll. Now we draw D. D for doll, D for dog. The next one is E. We again use black color and now we draw E. The next one is F. Now we draw F. Kids, now we draw F and now we use yellow color. F for fish. Now we draw F. And the next one is G. Now we draw G. G for goat. We again use yellow color. The next one is H. Now we draw H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice cream. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. And now we draw J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw K. K for kite. The next one is L. Now we use blue color. Now we use blue color and draw L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw M. Kids, the next one is N. N for nest. N for nest, N for nose. Now we use blue color. And the next one is O. Now we draw O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, now we use brown color and draw R. R for rose. Now we draw R. And the next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw S. The next one is T. T for tiger. Now we draw T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Now we draw V. And the next one is W. W for wolf. Now we use red color. red color. Now we draw W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for X-ray. And now we draw Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo. Now we draw Z. Kids, the next one is numbers. First we draw the number of 1. Now we use green color. Green color. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw the number of 4. The next one is 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Now we draw 6. The number of 6. S-I-X, 6. Green color. Now we draw 7. The number of 7. And the next one is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now we draw 9. The number of 9. And the next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.